it means the murder of 6 million people because they were Jews. And the Nazi Germany could not stand Jews. Why? Because they wanted their money and they wanted power. And there was an inborn hatred in them. He was in Poland, and all his family was murdered. His father was made to dig a grave, and then they shot him. And he sang all through the grave, digging, because he said, this is the corridor to a better world. I was a girl. I'm old enough to have been there, and I would have been. I've got a big mouth. I would have been killed first.